Hello and welcome. You're watching Too Sharp with ET. I'm Nisha Poddar, and let's get you the two important picks for today that you must know about. So the Indian markets break records as FIIs pour in, and dollar, gold, oil all see global macro shifts. Sensex at 79,500, Bank Nifty hits record levels and FIIs pour in. India's market rally shows no sign of slowing down. We are now 5 sessions into the uptrend. Today, Sensex gained 855 points, Nifty's 269 points, while Bank Nifty hit a record high. Here's what's driving it. Bank leads the charge. HDFC Bank jumped nearly 2% to its 52-week high levels. ICICI Bank is up, hitting a new all-time high. Bank Nifty surged past 55,000 levels for the first time. Strong Q4 results, RBI rate cuts, liquidity surplus, perfect cocktail for banks. RBI's tools like CMOs, VRRs, and forex swaps also boosted credit flow. Lower risk weights for NBFCs also aided sentiment. Now, the FIIs fuel the momentum. Foreign institutional investors bought 4,600 crores worth on Monday, and the session now means that 12,000 crore rupees in past few sessions, while DIIs are on selling mode. Peak US dollar also aids the sentiment for us. Analysts say global investors are rotating out of US into India. India has become the global favorite. So Trump delays new tariffs on India as well, and that has removed a large part of the overhang. Jefferies says sell US stocks, buy India. HSBC says India is safe harbor in global volatility. Goldman Sachs says India adds alpha in emerging markets portfolio. Let's recount the key factors. Strong bank earnings, FII inflows, and a softer dollar. That's the trifecta behind India's surge. And if this momentum holds, analysts believe Nifty 24,500 might not be too far. Global macro shifts. So dollar wobbles, gold hits record levels, and oil slides on Iran talks. Let's break them down. Dollar drops to its 3-year lows, and Trump, remember, threatens to fire Fed Chair Jerome Powell. Kevin Hassett confirms it's being studied. So Fed independence is in question and global markets are jittery. Yen, Euro, Swiss franc, all of them surged. US bond yields also rise as treasuries sold off. Gold, that soars to new record levels. Spot gold hit $3,393 per ounce, highest ever. Silver, platinum, palladium, all of them are up. So safe haven demand rising amid trade tension and Fed drama. Analysts warn of long-term damage if Fed credibility erodes, and gold is at 27% higher YTD, outpacing all major asset classes. Crude oil, that eases on Iran-US progress. Brent crude is down to around $67 a barrel. Few factors like Iran and US make very good progress on nuclear deal. This eased fears of disrupted oil supply from the Middle East. Now, sanctions still in play, but markets are hopeful of some resolution. Russia-Ukraine Easter ceasefire, remember, failed and tensions persist. So turbulence at the global stage with tariffs, Fed politics, and shifting oil dynamics are there. But one thing's clear. Investors are hedging with gold and pivoting away from the US dollar. So safe haven approach reflects nervousness. With that, it's a wrap on Too Sharp with ET. Thanks so much for joining us, and please do like, share, and subscribe. Thanks so much.